Hey, good morning to everyone. Myself Aditya Pangare, and today I'm going to take you to the space. Whoa, everyone is shocked? Not physically, but mentally. Just a small tour to the space. So let's get started. Get ready, we are just going to launch ourselves into the space. But before that, I would like to tell you that finger on your lips, open your eyes and stay alert. Then only we are going to reach to the space. So what is space? Since 5th, we are learning about space, orbit, solar system, gravity, etc. And even if I ask you what is space, everyone is blank, and like always you will have a big question mark, same like this. So when you look at the sky, you see the clouds, you see the moon, you see stars, and sometimes even if you see a rocket traveling. Whereas on the other occasion you also see a star falling. But we always get a question like, what exactly is up there? The area outside the space, the area outside the earth is space. In space, there are various celestial objects like planets, meteors, stars, etc. These meteors are what fall from the sky and we call it like the star is falling. Space is a quiet place. No one can hear you in the space, no matter how hard you scream, like you do in the schools while sitting on the last bench, otherwise on the ground. We are always interested in knowing like what's there in the space, but more than that, it is important for us to know what is not there in the space. There is no air in the space. Just can you imagine how strange it will be? It's just a vacuum in the empty space. Neither can a sound wave travel, nor could the sunlight be scattered. Sometimes space could appear as a black blanket. Just like you take the black blanket suddenly and darkness appears in front of you. Like we often get the question, where do the planets lie in the space? Space is not totally empty. There is a vast gap between the stars and the planets. The gap is filled with a massive amount of gas and dust. There are other celestial bodies as well. Our Earth is one of them. Let's come back to the point, like what is space? So, the space is a boundless three-dimensional extent in which the object and event relevant position and direction. I hope you have enjoyed the tour. Thank you.